Hello students, welcome to the ARIK Quiz time. Today's question is from the topic cellular respiration, one more very important topic from biology. So let's look at the question. Which metabolic pathway uses oxygen as the oxidizing agent? And your options are aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, biosynthesis, and glycolysis. Give it a thought. What could be the answer to this question? Well, the answer is aerobic respiration. Why it is? Aerobic respiration is a chemical process in the cell which utilizes oxygen to extract energy from the food such as carbohydrates. It is also called as cell respiration, aerobic metabolism, or oxidative metabolism. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for many more such questions. So subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thank you so much.